This is Mike Marburger. How you doing?
Hello. We are going to repair an 1800s vintage chair.
Oh, good. Let's take a look at this chair.
We're going to do this with Gorilla Glue.
Gorilla Glue.
This dries white 2x faster. Now, you couldn't ask for much more than that.
All right.
So here we have an old chair that's coming apart this way, coming apart this way, and if it doesn't blend, if it doesn't work, we'll just blend it. Put it in our BlendTech blender and turn it into pulp.
All right, good.
Okay.
All right, let's see what you're going to do on this. In case anybody else has to fix an 1800 vintage chair.
You bet.
Let's take a look at what we have.
We're going to have to put
There's a crack in the seat. There must have been somebody heavy sitting on that chair.
Recently.
Mm.
So we're going to have to fix that, and then this. And I think that's pretty much
Okay.
all we have to do.
If you do it real fast, we'll get this done in 3 minutes and get it on YouTube.
Oh joy. This is high quality workmanship too. And we have an extra special cover too.
Cover is the garbage bag on top of the
I'm
table.
going to put this in from underneath.
All right. All right, here he goes.
Right. Well, we're going to have to make the hole again.
All right.
Where's a paper clip?
So this is all part of the job, finding paper clips.
That's right. The big, oh, here we got something even better than a paper clip.
Okay, we're at 2 minutes. We got a 6-minute limit on this video.
We'll have to, might want to turn it off for a second.
No, this is, you're under time crunch.
Live footage here.
Yes.
All right.
If you haven't opened a glue container before, now you know how.
Well, there's the other peg just came out. I think that's all in here.
And have you been in the furniture repair business long, Mr. Marburger?
For many moments. Many moments.
Thank you.
And I feel empowered by this great experience.
Well, you're empowering millions of other individuals who need to repair their chairs.
Who need to repair their chairs and not have it pinch their heinies when they sit down on
That's right.
it. Okay, now we have to seal the deal. Oh, we have half the deal sealed already. There we have a completed, high-quality job.
All right.
With one more poke here. Sit this up.
Do you have something to bind to that on there so that when the glue swells, it's going to...
Well, this?
Yeah.
No.
You have to, don't you? You have to clamp it somehow.
For 6 hours.
Did you wrap that other one around there?
Wipe the excess glue.
All right. Okay.
I'll get it. You're the photographer, I guess.
Yeah, the glue thing says you have to clamp it. So you've got to put something on there, heavy or whatever. Okay, we're at 5 minutes.
And this is going to be a finished job.
Quick clamp it so that we can have a finished job. Yeah, good. All right, there we go. And that's we got her done. Thank you, Mr. Marburger, for your instruction. Can you move out of the light a little bit? It's just a little bit. Okay, good.
Anything I can do to serve. I'm telling you.
Thank you. Goodbye.